Yo, what's up y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, why is it raining outside? But for today's, oh my god, I forgot to brush my hair, jeez. For today's video, I received two packages. I received a package from Headlight Racing, which includes me and Randy's new fuel rails, because mine turned a coolish, goldish, brownish color, and David don't like that. I think it's dope. I gotta show you guys. Where is it? Hold on. It's in one of these boxes. Actually, I think it's up top. I don't know, but it is really raining outside. Kato, where you at? Don't get lost in the sauce, please, boy. Yo, where my thing at? I really don't know where I put my fuel rail. Oops. But I did find my K-Pro, which is version 3. If you guys are interested, I am selling it. Write me on Instagram or Facebook. Cool. Look how cool this is, bro. David was like, nope, I don't like it. So we're sending you another one. Look at that, bro. Look at the, ooh, that is, and then right here, got that greenish tint. Ooh, one of one, playboy. Might well just throw me a look at Zosh MFG sticker and list this bad boy up for sale. Yeah, Yumi is, well, still being Yumi. And I do want to get some CTR headlights. I think that would be really cool. Some CTR headlights, maybe a spoon lip, but I don't know. I don't want to make the daily too damn nice for it to be a daily, because then I'd be caring about it too much, and I'm not trying to care too much about the car. Not like this one. This is my pride and joy. This is my life, and this right here is just like, she cool, you know what I mean? She be skating down 95. She cool. Today's video, I will not be doing the brake tuck. I don't even have the brake tuck kit yet. But I do have my JDM 1-inch brake booster. The master should be in the mail today. And yeah, man. Hopefully we'll just see what all I can get done to the car. I should pop the hood to show you guys what I got done so far. So far in the engine bay component of things, I got my shift cable bracket connected with the, I got it installed with the cables running through them. I'm very proud of myself that I installed this shifter cable, grommet, cable holder, whatever you call it. I mean, yeah, the bushing looks kind of crappy, but I mean, this was $14, well, $15 on eBay, and it's doing the job just fine. With the rails that I received from Headlight Racing today, it come with shifter clips, so I can bolt down the shifter clips to the bracket with the shifter, blah 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 blah. You know what I'm trying to say, yeah. And as far as the interior is concerned, it's alright, you know what I mean? Oh, god damn it. Not too shabby up in here, just gotta put the center console back together, get all this stuff looking like an interior again. Well, just the center console stuff, part of things. And yeah, wait for my new K-Pro to arrive, because I did buy version 4 off a subscriber, and he gave me a deal that like anybody could have got, but I got it, because everybody was asleep. So yeah, with enough talking, which I'm pretty sure this whole video is going to be talking, so I'm sorry, man. That's why I haven't filmed in like 4 days. I just have no cool content to film, man. So, yep. Without talking, let's unbox at least the Headlight Racing stuff. So, like I've been saying for the past however long this video is so far, got my fuel rails and my shifter cables, well, not shifter cables, shifter clips in this box. And we're gonna get this bad boy unboxed real quick. Nah, I just tear that shit up the wrong way. This is the fuel rail that me and Randy will be running on our vehiculars. Y'all boys already know what the dealio is, playboy. Yes, sir. If you would like your own Headlight Racing K-Series fuel rail for your vehicle, make sure to use discount code 5OFFZOSH at headlightracing.com. Yeah. Now that the fuel rail is here, I am down to only 2 things to get this bad boy moving. One being fuel injectors. I did partner up with FIC for fuel injectors, so they will be in here soon. Then from there, all I would need is that brake kit. And that's it. I'll be good to go. And this right here is the Jdm Integra Type R brake booster. The master should be in the mail today. But I do get the brake booster, thank God. I got this from JDM Chicago. So if you guys ever want to upgrade your brake system without running freaking brake booster delete, you want good brakes, better than better than what you have, I highly recommend JDM Chicago for the JDM Type R Integra brake booster and master. No, they did not sponsor this. No, they didn't give me a deal. They just the only people that I know that had it in the freaking States. I called a lot of JDM places and they were the only one that have this in stock. So if you guys need it, JDM Chicago is your place of business, playboy. So I'm gonna get this bad boy installed today, along with the master cylinder once it arrives, and then we'll see what else we can get into. But I doubt it's something fun or exciting to watch, so this video might suck ass, but hope you guys enjoy some form of seeing my face again. Sorry for my lack of filming. I did try to film it, but I had to remove the fuel line, and I was getting kind of annoyed because the brake boost wouldn't go on, and I didn't want to scratch the engine bay shop place. I just didn't want to scratch the engine bay. So, but anywho, got the brake booster on. I did paint it, so that's why it kind of looks weird or whatever. I mean, it looks okay, yeah. I mean, the black complements the green, and yeah. And then when I get the brake booster, when I get the brake master in the mail. It's like 4 o'clock now. I don't know what the hell my mailman is, but when I get that in the mail, then I put that on and got the shift linkages, not linkages, but the clips, the shifter clips on the cables. I don't know why. I feel like I can't vlog right now, man. It's been like 4 days since I last filmed anything, or maybe 5. I can't remember. But yep. So got the inside taken care of as well. I know it's leaning. I know the one to your farthest right that your eyes can see is leaning. It just won't go down. Like, it's down, but it won't like be placed stagnant. Like, I don't know. But all in all, it's in there. And I think I'm going to do a whole haul of the car, which means I'm going to be selling these seats. So if you guys want some Sparko seats, I'll take $800 for both of them. Comes with rails. They're brand new seats, like literally brand new. And if you want to go racing, you can, playboy, because these bad boys are good to 2024. Yes, hear me. Yes, hear that. Do you see that, baby? Ooh, woo, yeah. So if you guys want some Sparko seats and you're in Florida, because I don't want to ship, because shipping, I know for a fact shipping would be too damn expensive. So if you're in Florida and you want some Sparko seats, brand new, probably have a couple farts in them. Well, the passenger seat don't have no farts in it. Driver seat definitely got some farts in it. This entire video is turning into like a sales ad, I guess. But I just want to, change up the car, man. I love the blue. Like, I do want to keep blue seats in the car, but I just hate the design that Sparko decided to come out with the Sprint. Here's a picture of how the old design looked. And then look at this. Like, it just, I don't know. I don't like it at all. It looks too goofy. It looks like 1994. I don't like that at all. So my plan of action is to hopefully run some status seats, man. I've seen Vasile with them, and I'm like, yo, them things are kind of nice. So that would be the plan, to get like at least one, because them things are expensive. But yeah, man, that's the goal, I guess. I don't know. This vlog is turning out to be straight doo-doo. Alright, mailman just dropped off my packages. Got one from JDM Chicago, and I got one from, I have no idea what's in here, but we got another package. But okay, cool. Ooh, look at that, boy. Look at the ice. You see that one right there? Indicates that this is a 1-inch master cylinder, baby. That goes into that brake booster, boo. Ooh, my little slice of Japan right here, baby. Huge shout out to JDM of Chicago for having this in stock and ready to ship. They shipped out the same day I bought it. So, huge thank you to those guys, man. If you guys ever want anything, please check out JDM of Chicago, man. They're really dope. For them to have this in stock and ship same day, customer service in my book is A1. Customer service to me is always the best form of service, so I appreciate them for that and hope they appreciate this shout out. So thank you guys, man, appreciate it. Alright, look at that, boy. Brake booster is on. I just gotta tighten up everything. I gotta tighten up the 4 bolts on the inside holding the booster to the chassis, basically to the firewall, and then I gotta tighten up those 2, what are those, 14 or 12 mil bolts? Pretty sure those are 12 mil bolts. Tighten those bad boys up and then wait for the brake tuck kit. Mark said that they had shipped out the brake tuck kit today, so I hope they did. That would be awesome, because then I could just, start, doing my brake tuck so I can have some content. Because next week, your boy's going to be gone for a week because I'm going up to Headlight Racing for a couple days, and then we're driving cross country from Baton Rouge, Louisiana to New Jersey for iVox. So that's going to be fantastic. Get some nice, beautiful, great, amazing, real content, and everyone's happy, right? Good quality content, traveling, and getting this Christina done so I can go tune next month. So for the next part of the video, I came to my sister's house, for nephew. Look at that. He's so tall. Ooh, girl. Ooh, look at his height. Ooh. I received this Headlight Restore kit from this company called Headlight Restore.us. Well, US. But, yeah, man. So we're going to see how well they can clean up these. Now, these are actually not that bad, but they're pretty bad. Like, you can see how, like, dim it is. It ain't, like, too good. But, I mean, this 1, 2, 3 step application to get some headlights like that, we gonna see. We is gonna see. You record?
Yeah.
Well, I know that feel crazy for y'all. They like, oh, it's back. It's coming again. All right. So, like I said in my last clip, you got me?
Yeah.
All right, you hear the boy, yeah. All right, so we're gonna use this kit right here. Let me open it up. You got 3 packets. You got step one again, and step 2. Now, the first step we have to, it says it right here, wipe and clean across the headlight. Immediately dry the headlights with a clean paper towel. You have a paper towel?
Yeah.
All right, pause production, go get a paper towel. In this kit, you're able to clean both headlights. So all it takes is 1 kit to clean them. That's why you have the extra cleaning package. So, now if you get the camera, I'm gonna take out the Headlight Restore. Got my clean paper towel. You could use a microfiber, but, well, I don't have a microfiber. So we get this. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. All right. Kind of windy out. All right. So now that we got the headlight clean, look at that. Look at the filth. Look at the filth, please, boy. All right, now that we got the headlight clean, let's wipe it dry with our paper towel. I should make cooking videos, huh? Now, if you read the instructions, it says once you dry, it should look like this, a matte finish. Step 2, protection layer. This is what's gonna make this haziness go away. And you have to make sure that your entire headlights are clean. I'm only doing 1 headlight at a time because I'm gonna show you guys a before and after or how they look. So, get this, and fold this out, and then just wipe it. Now, once you wipe it to a clean surface, you have to wait 30 minutes to allow it to be cool. And then, yeah, that's when we will resume video productions in 30 minutes. You can really see the difference. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can see it. Look at that compared to this. Look at that compared to the quick, easy kit I use. God damn, that kit's effective. Holy crap. God damn. That's nice. That is what I look for in a kit. Thank you guys for sending me to that to review for you guys. Wow, that's nice. So it's the next morning and I am going to try that headlight kit on my mom's car because her headlights are dingy AF. Like it's, you can hear that. I'm gonna have to sand that down first before I can get started because I don't like how gritty that is. And then we'll see a good difference. So we're gonna get a nice before and we'll get a nice after. It didn't even dry yet, but just look at the difference. So this is the side I just completed. Look at that, bro. All out of this little 3-step box, man. This side I just completed, and this is the side I haven't done yet. Just look at that, bro. Woo. Now I can help my mom see better when she's on the road at night. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I'm the best son in the world. Look at that ice, boy. So yeah, man, if you guys really want something like this to clean up your headlights, I highly suggest this, man. It's quick, it's simple, it takes less than 20 minutes because you gotta let a 30-minute wait dry time, and it's only been drying for like 3-4 minutes. But man, you can't beat it, bro. There's no sanding, no compounding, no buffing, nothing. It's literally this is literally it, bro. Look at it, in 2 minutes, and it literally took me about 2 minutes, not even. So, yep, if you guys are interested in something like this, then I will most definitely leave a link down in the description box below, because that's dope. From ashy to classy, playboy. Can't wait to get my mom's opinion when she gets up and come out and look at her headlight. That is icy, boy. So I'm gonna get this side done, and yeah, resume video production. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to wrap it up for this video. I did manage to mock up the my new short ram intake that I'm going to be running along with my cold air intake. I have both systems now, so that's cool. So if I know there's going to be a chance of rain one day, I'll take this out. But if I know there's not going to be a chance of rain one day, then I'll take out the cold air, because cold air gets better air. It's better airflow because it's like right there. But this will work for now, because I ain't trying to hydrolock no engine ever again. That's not the goal right here. But yeah, man, that's gonna do it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I am out. Peace.